Okay, we're getting somewhere. I couldn't do that 10 minutes ago. Okay.
By making this sound. Yeah, do with your lips.
Listen, I'm learning how to roll my R's, and you're gonna learn it with me, okay? I sound so crazy not knowing how to roll my R's when I speak Spanish, so we're gonna cure that, okay? I'm sick of not knowing how to roll them, so I set some time today. Today's study session is strictly me learning how to roll my R's, okay? We're gonna perfect this today. It's not consistent though. It's not consistent, so let me figure it out.
Exercises that will help you roll your R's. But 3 exercises to help you roll the R's. The first one, go like, kind of like cold. Should be taking exercise.
Is that right? Alright, so this video is giving me some examples on how to say like the soft R. So here we go. Let's practice. Ra, re, ri, ro, ru. Ra, re, ri, ro, ru. Cause I can do the grrr, 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 caro. But when I try to put in a word, caro, abril, febrero, septiembre, octubre, diciembre, enero.
Parece caro.
Me parece caro.
Avergonzar.
Gra, gre, gri, ro, ru. Nah. So this is one of the exercises. Grr, gra, gre, gri, ro, ru, gra, re, ri. I'm losing my momentum. Ri, ri, ro, ro. Enero. Ah! Okay. Enero. ¿Cómo se dice? Okay. Hold on. I think I'm getting somewhere. Hold on. Where my notes at for the months? Okay. Enero, febrero. Ah! I'm doing it. Okay. Marzo. It's hard when the next sound isn't a vowel. Marzo. Okay, let's skip that before I lose it. Septiembre, octubre, novembre, diciembre. Ah! Okay, I'm getting better. Enero. Ah! I'm doing it. Febrero, marzo, abril. Okay. Abril. Fuck. It's easier if the owl is o u. So ru, rojo. Let me try some days of the week. Viernes. Yeah, I can't do it when there's not a vowel at the end of it. If there's not a miércoles. Shit, it's not working. Noviembre. Diciembre. So, okay, so even when there's like an E at the end of it and E at the end of it, I'm still not getting it. Okay. Enero, febrero. Okay, we're getting somewhere. I couldn't do that 10 minutes ago. Okay. El cafetera. Padre. Madre. Re. Madre. Morena. It's not coming out. Grano. Negro. Oh, I can say that. I'm just trying to find some R-O's. And what do I have in my notes to start? Ooh, Spanish words start with the damn. Mi caro. Caro. Mi carro is rojo. Mi carro is rojo. Mi carro is rojo. My back hurt, my head hurt, like Jesus. Mi carro es rojo. Mi carro es rojo. Mi carro Mi carro es rojo. Mi carro es rojo. Claro que sí. Por supuesto. De acuerdo. Claro. 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 Claro.